All right, so today we're coming at you with a new video. Today's video, we're kind of talking about a few things coming up here on the channel. We have not posted for a while over the holidays and for many reasons, but we're waiting on parts. The part situation on M5s and on BMW stuff is real if it's a rare car. So we have Dwayne's M5 we're going to build, but we needed a very, very special tool. A tool so special that BMW actually discontinued this tool. We ordered it from the ECS tuning place. We waited for months to get this tool, and it just wouldn't come. Same way with the rod bolts for that car. It just took forever, and we finally got this in today. Now, if you have an SMG car, you know all too well that you need this tool to realign the clutch. Now, these clutches on these cars have 2 discs, so you need this specific tool. This is the most expensive BMW tool I've ever purchased or ever seen. This tool is about $400 and extremely difficult to get. It goes further than that. I actually had that one order from ECS, so that money was set out, right? I went and bought one off eBay to only find out that basically 5 minutes later they canceled the order. They said, oh, it'll be 3 to 5 days for you to get your money back on that one. That's $800. And then I went and purchased this one for basically $400. So for a short time, we had $1,200 involved just in this one tool. Now, I called around everybody, Dwayne called around. We cannot find anybody with one of these. Now, we need this for 3 different cars. One car that's not here yet, you guys don't know about. One for my white M5, one for Dwayne's M5. Those are all SMG cars that need this tool. Is E46 SMG the same tool? I don't know. I doubt it. That's probably a different one. But anyhow, ordinarily a clutch alignment tool is a little $10, $13 plastic piece that you can buy anywhere as long as the splines are right. You just line it up with that. So there is that. But if you guys have not watched the videos a long time, I've not bought any new BMW cars. We still have E46, M5s. I don't even know what all kinds of stuff. We've been doing Porsche stuff here lately, and as more recently, we even stopped doing that for a little bit. I plan not to buy any more cars until the stuff we have is out of here, because the shop is not big enough to take on anything else, and none of that business at all. But yeah, this tool is worth its weight in gold. You guys looking for this tool, you know what a nightmare this is. If you're a shop looking for this tool, I don't want to rent it out. It's too hard to get for me to go buy another one, and we'll have to be using this coming up. They pop up on eBay periodically. This may have been the last one ever on there. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, so that's it. What else is coming up for the channel? I don't know. You guys, let me know what you want to see. Like, what direction should we go with this channel? It's kind of been running itself. We hadn't really had to post anything over the holidays. It did phenomenal on revenue. But what is something that is a common thing you guys want to see? Short videos. Real quick, we'll talk about that. Short videos don't pay any money. After February 1st, which is day after tomorrow, you can monetize short videos. That's a minuscule amount of money to do that. That doesn't make sense. They monetize you after the first 10 million views on your shorts. How many views we have right now on my shorts? Maybe 200,000. It's a far cry from 10 million. But YouTube's going through a lot of changes, a lot of issues. So stay tuned. Just trying to kind of sit back and figure it out. Posting a bunch in January usually is never a good idea. If you post big videos in January, it just wastes the revenue. The revenue's not there. And so we may wait till the next few days till we get into February. We're only 2 days away. And start doing stuff. But we do want to start working on Dwayne's car. We'll make videos on that. M5 videos on this channel do not do well. They don't. But we're still going to do videos on it for you guys that do want to see it. And so Dwayne can see what's going on every step of the process. And we're just hoping at this point that the new engine we got for his car is good. Because it's still on the end stand. We don't know. It looked good when we took it apart to do the rod bearings. Everything looked totally fine. So I don't think there's going to be any issue. But that swap will be coming up shortly. And then we're on to the Figaro. But first, this thing's still broken. So we're waiting to hear back on that. And then I guess we need to buy an engine for my white M5. Things are rolling on. It's just this channel is kind of taking backseat for a little bit. So bear with us, guys. Just trying to figure out what's the best thing to do. That's going to be it, guys. See you back again with another video very soon.